Hi friends, welcome back. So we are coming with a reaction video for what is it, Rishi?
Amit Trivedi, Sound of Nation.
Okay, what is it?
Amit Trivedi, Sound of Nation.
So Amit Trivedi, and he's probably the one who made this, and
And
it's
for
Sound
the
of
song-
Nation.
the song is called
And which nation are they saying Sound of Nation?
America.
Wrong.
India.
India. Why? Because Amit Trivedi, it's an Indian person. So most likely it's going
No,
to
there
be
are actually some
Indian.
people in school named Amit and they're American.
Could be, I don't
So
know.
I
I've
don't
never
know.
heard of an
I don't
Amit who's
know.
American, guys. But he's saying, so I don't know.
I don't know.
Anyway, so we are going to watch this and see how it is. Looks, it says Sound of Nation. So I'm
It's the
wondering.
sound of India's nation.
So I don't know what it's going to be about. So
yeah,
let's go ahead.
there was this one thing where the sound of the nation was just the sound of cars in the traffic. Cars in traffic, they're like, this is the sound of our nation.
Oh my
And
god.
everyone was so confused.
Of course. I hope, guys, you didn't recommend this where there are just cars and they're showing sounds of cars in that country.
Yeah, that was-
So I just hope not. So okay, let's go ahead and watch and see if it's cars or it's something else. Okay, let's start. Wow. Wow. Starting is fantastic, guys.
It's an acapella band.
Look at the instrument.
Yes. So that's actually pretty good.
पश्मीना धागों के संग कोई आज बुने ख्वाब ऐसे कैसे वादी में गूंजे कहीं नए साज ये रबाब ऐसे कैसे पश्मीना धागों के संग
Oi, oi.
Different.
के दो पंख लेके
Oh, the sound of
Some from Bengal.
Oh.
Oh, interesting.
जाना था ये वही चला है रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे ये देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशा आना क्या मन बोका
Beautiful. Oi, oi, look, कैसे वो voice, it's amazing.
He's making that sound.
Look at the instruments, they're so different and quiet.
What's it saying?
It's beautiful.
Wow.
हाय, मजा आ गया. ओए ओए. Now I think some other state of India is coming.
Rajasthan. Look
Oh, there's states in India?
Looks like Rajasthan.
How can you be so dumb, man?
Okay, Rajasthan.
Look at that hand. That's a musical instrument. Sound of Rajasthan. Sare desh, hare desh.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी मनदीद कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो भण सकल दिखाओ जी हर
Very good.
सरोरत सब जानू मैं जागी धोकड़ी चंद्राचारी चांदड़ी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्मा झुम पार्टी बड़े में जागी धोकड़ी चंद्र में थारी चांदड़ी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्मा झुम
Amazing.
Okay then.
Beautiful. अब देखते हैं बस.
That's ढोलक.
What is this?
Oi, oi. Oh, familiar
Oh,
है.
yeah.
Wait, yeah.
Oh,
not this.
Maharashtra. Marathi song.
एक मूवी में भी था.
आवडतीला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग
Remember this? You play this in the song.
कान में सुनती हूँ ये.
It's like inscribed in my brain.
This is Marathi. Now let's see.
Oi, oi.
Okay. What is beatboxing?
Wow, let's see who's next.
Oi. Gujarat.
Oh, not this also.
Yeah, it's
God.
Nice.
No, not this. So every day also in the car.
Wow, they're making Chennai themselves. They're making sounds.
हाँ, मुंह से.
Yeah.
सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
ओ देखा वो मुंह से कर रहे हैं.
ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मौत की सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही
हमको ढोना है.
शहनाई शहनाई
Wow.
शहनाई रस रचियो सास सजियो चुप गड़ी चे आवी अच्छा अच्छा टम माता शमा मुझे लावी
Do they have drums?
बीच में they are giving some.
म्यूजिक बिकॉज आई थिंक चेंज कर रहे हैं.
Transition
नेक्स्ट
कर रहे
स्टेट
हैं.
कर रहे हैं.
Let's see which one is
ये
this.
कौन सा है?
ड्रीमम वेकअपम क्रिटिकल कंडीशनम
What is this?
This is in some language.
South India.
Wait, is this also you play the car music? Oh my god!
धरती कोतरम टापट बेसम कामसूत्रम थैजम थंडरम डौनम मंडरम सैजम मैटरम थिंकम वंडरम जंपिंगम जंपिंगम थ्रोबिंगम
English word. English word in South Indian style.
What this is?
Beautiful man.
It's Punjab.
Oh no.
पंजाब भी आ गया.
What is, oh my god, look at this.
The dresses, they are wearing dresses according to the state.
Yeah.
Shh.
Oh no, no.
Boy, this is
all from the car every day. God. Stop! That's not what it is saying.
Victoria.
God. These are inscribed in my brain.
घूमता. Beautiful. मजा आ गया.
They're like yeet.
Oh, they're going to transition.
Yeah.
ये कौन सा है?
Same.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अजगरिए
अंदर का कुत्ता.
What? That's so confusing.
दुनिया पेट्रोल चल
I think they're ending it.
Okay.
सुनने दे. Listen.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अजगरिए
What?
अब दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुखिए
What is she saying?
के रखेगा कौन हिसाब और दा पंजाब
उड़ता पंजाब.
What is
Okay.
that?
It's a song. Oh wow.
So luckily it wasn't traffic cars.
No, but this was
good.
amazing,
It was good.
beautiful.
Except half of the songs are already inscribed in my brain.
Yeah, and half of the songs, guys, I put it in the car almost every day to listen.
And it's
So
like it's
so
like in my brain.
So he knows the songs.
So he doesn't understand, but he remembers that these were.
No, I don't remember. I know that.
He knows that. So yes, guys, this is done beautifully.
Amazing.
Amazing. I mean,
It was good.
this is talent, man. This is real talent.
Yes. it was
And whoever came up with this idea of showing this and the way to show it, you know, different sounds of nations. So they're
Yeah.
taking all the
good. We
states.
should have in the US. And I was like,
Yeah.
this sounds of each state.
But they should also probably do in US different states and what sounds in music. But I don't think they would have much here because India is a very rich country and every state is so different in
Has their own
culture.
literature.
Their own language, literature, culture, even songs, and everything is so different from one state. But in US there's not that much of variety, unfortunately. So guys, amazing. I mean, I loved every state song. It was like
Yes,
great.
it was good.
I mean, look at Punjab, look at Gujarat. I mean,
I mean,
The only one I didn't know was like one song.
which one?
I don't know. I think maybe I do that one too.
I mean, this concept is amazing, and I don't know when it happened, but it is a fantastic thing. I mean, so many they are showing the sounds of different nations. I mean, different states
Yeah.
within one nation.
Like the different types of music they
And
have.
they are changing the dresses. They are
Yeah.
changing the instruments. And wherever they didn't have an instrument, they are making up the voices.
Oh wow, that
To
was
compensate-
amazing.
yeah.
Yes, they're
Yeah.
making those voices from
To
their
compensate
Yeah,
voice.
you
for
know,
the
actually one of these
instrument.
songs videos, this guy who made a whole song by just
Yeah.
using his
So
body.
this one is, I would say, fantastic. I'm not sure why I hadn't seen this before.
Yeah,
This is
amazing.
Amazing.
That's good.
Amazing.
I mean,
I,
amazing.
am just surprised that Ma doesn't have it in her car yet.
Yeah, now
I'm going to put this in the car.
Oh,
Yes,
God.
now I'm going to put this
Yeah, so
and I'll be
now-
listening.
The way they are showing, the team of people who are transitioning from one place to the other, and how they are compensating for the instruments that they don't have,
Yeah.
and everybody is coming and representing their state. Fantastic. The number one. Very
Yes.
good.
Very good.
Number
And
one.
best is the instruments, the Indian instruments that they
Yes.
showed. I mean, most
Yeah.
of them are not that sophisticated, guys. But the music they create is amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, not sophisticated, but beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, I don't
music.
know. They're sophisticated. They have been around for a very long
Very long time, and they're made of just
So-
simple wooden
so,
strings. So
yeah.
they're not. And when I say sophisticated, they're not like electronic devices,
Yeah.
modern instruments that you guys use in schools. But I mean, this shows how rich the culture is. I mean, with those simple instruments, in India, they were able to create such beautiful music and so much of variety,
I mean,
man.
it's better than most of the English songs, though. I have to say that.
So Rishi is saying it's better than most of the English
usually
songs.
I say
yeah.
I don't like these Hindi songs, but then this one's better than
So
most of
as
them.
an American kid, I mean American, he's like
I
now
can't
even
say-
if you compare
I
it
can't
with
deny
Americans,
it.
so he can't deny it, guys. He says this is amazing.
Very good.
It's very good, even better than the English songs. He says generally when I listen to Hindi songs, I don't like them, but this is just better. This is
Yes.
amazing. He says. So guys, thank you for suggesting this because now it's going into my car
No.
and I'm going to enjoy it every time. So a thumbs up and a thumbs up to this, guys. Beautiful. Wow.
Oh, and if you're new to my channel,
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye!